Hey everyone, thanks for checking in. I didn't really do too much stock trading today, so instead of making a trading video like usual, I'm going to show my Stash Invest portfolio. This is different from the Stash Retire portfolio that I recently showed everyone, and this was actually the first portfolio that I really kind of managed and bought myself, and it's been performing pretty well. It's been open for about a year now, I'd say. It's up about $400, almost 9%. Um, it's pretty diversified. The biggest position in there is Match the Market, which again, Stash likes to name a lot of their ETFs. These clever things to try and get people to buy them, but Match the Market is pretty much just the VOO Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Then we have Delicious Dividends, which is another ETF. It is, and you can always check to see which one it exactly is. It kind of tells you. But this one is SCHD, the Schwab Dividend. That's a nice fund right there. Then we got Slow and Steady. This is the last one I'll show just because, but it's another good one. It is SPLV. This is like the low volatility monthly dividend S&P 500 ETF. It's a nice slow and steady. Slow and steady is a good name for it. So then we have Young Money, which is just a tech ETF. Apple, Microsoft, which have been performing very well, up 20 and 22%. Blue chips, Tesla, which is down quite a bit, 26%. And I haven't really been averaging too much into Tesla. I put some money into Tesla as a long-term investment, and it hasn't performed well. And I gave it its chance, and my money is better suited for me in dividends right now, and especially when there's discounts like Boeing, MMM, and stocks like that are at a nice discount. Then we got Amazon, AT&T, always like AT&T, Altria, Johnson & Johnson, which is in my M1 Finance portfolio. It is tied with McDonald's for the highest position size of my portfolio. Boeing hasn't been performing well, but I haven't really been buying the dip on this portfolio, so but it's alright. Coca-Cola, which is close to all-time highs. High Voltage, Kraft Heinz, Ford, Real Estate Tycoon, which is a real estate ETF. McDonald's, which is close to all-time highs. AbbVie, Procter & Gamble, Walt Disney, which has been performing very well. Wish I had some more of that. Walmart, 3M, Starbucks, PepsiCo, Royal Dutch Shell, which has a real nice dividend yield. GM, Duke Energy. This one's also a real nice yield at I think it's like 4 to 5%. Berkshire Hathaway, Hormel and Tyson are some stocks that I've been buying, and I just kind of view them as safe stocks, and I actually like them. I know a lot of people don't really like those stocks, but I like that kind of stock. American Innovators ETF, Caterpillar, Bank of America, JP Morgan Chase, Nike, Facebook, which is killing it, up 27%. Too bad I only have $28 in them. Big Money, Wells Fargo. This is Artificial Intelligence ETF. That's what the AI's top picks is. Long-term mix, some Twitter stock, up 40%. Google, Alphabet, Park My Cash, which is pretty much bonds. In Transit, General Mills, which is up quite a bit. I bought when they took a huge crash. I just threw like $15 or something in there. And Defending America, Pfizer, Stay in Touch, which is telecoms ETF. United Healthcare. This is a gold ETF. Sunoco, Activision Blizzard, Las Vegas Sands, which is casinos, I believe. Some bonds in there, and then this is actually free stocks that I've received. This is something that I really like, and I don't know, because I didn't have a debit card that really offered me any type of rewards or cash back before, and Stash offers a free one, and they have a account where you can get a debit card for free, and every time you use it to make a purchase, you get like a free 1 cent to 10 cents in stock towards whatever you spend it at. Otherwise, they give it to you in Stocks Worldwide, which is just an ETF. So this is all money that I've gotten for free, more or less. Then we have CVS, corporate cannabis. I'll talk more about that later. Got Tyson Foods, which has been killing it. Yep, Tyson's another one I said that I just like them. Internet Titans, Honeywell, that's another one. Like the food people, Alibaba, Costco, ExxonMobil, Aggressive Mix, Up and Coming. And there's a lot of stocks in here. These are all pretty small positions. I got some Visa, but they're only minuscule positions, less than 1% of my portfolio, and I just kind of wanted to try everything. Got Netflix. I like Netflix, but I just don't really like it that much. Chevron, BP, and this is all stocks, like I said, that I was talking about I got for free. So for paying my phone bill, I got the Sprint stock. I got the BP stock just from putting gas in my car. 7-Eleven, Dollar Tree, and every time you go out to like McDonald's, you can get McDonald's stock. And I'm not trying to advertise for them, but I think it's pretty cool, and it's gotten me free stock, so it works for me. But yep, there's my portfolio. It's been performing pretty well, up $400 right now, and it seems like almost every day, or at least a few times a week, that I got a dividend coming through Stash, and they always remind you, and I just like them. And yeah, so I've been keeping track of the days that I receive dividends, and it would just be cool to have one every day. I know obviously it's not, might not happen, but I think it'd be really cool, and I'm pretty close to it. So thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to the channel. Comment below if you have any questions, and have a good one.